Violence. A simple word that has a negative meaning at syempre nangyayari ito all over the world. Ang tanging message ko lang is free violence in our world kasi this is not a normal way to do in our world. Yung violence kasi is nakakasakit din sa atin. Mahirap magkaroon ng karahasan sa atin and mahirap makipag-deal with violations to us na nagiging negative tayo around people that surrounds us. So people, this video is for you to let go the violations or violence in our world, and this is a message worldwide. We're humans kaya i-let go natin yung karahasan sa mundo at piliin natin mag-strive and be positive of our actions na wala tayong nasasaktang ibang tao at walang nakakasakit sa ating ibang tao.